Howdy, howdy, everyone. We've made our way to Acme, Michigan. We're at Stone Hound Brewing Company, and they've got a beer that is actually trending on Untapped. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Craft Beer in Michigan Brewery Spotlight. And today we're on location in Acme, Michigan. I obviously mentioned that we're at Stone Hound Brewing Company. And I went on Untapped. I hadn't been on in a while, and I discovered that they have one of their beers that is trending. And we're going to make it go viral today. We're going to give this a try. And even before I've had a chance to taste it, the customer sitting at the bar, she ordered her second one, and this is Sketchy Dreez, and it's a nice hazy IPA. So this is what we've got. This is how it looks in the glass. Look at that. You can't see through that. Look at the nice golden. It's got a little bit of hint of orange to it. The head on it, of course, I've been chatting, so it's a little small, but that's all right. So, all right. So definitely, hopefully we'll enjoy this beer. All right. Take to our nose. Let's see what kind of smell we get. Ooh, I'm getting pine right off the top of it. All right. You know I don't like drinking alone, and so cheers. Here's to you. Let's take it to our lips and let's see what we get today. 6% in the alcohol. Talking to Chris, the brewer, the IBUs should be around 30%, 30% IBUs, international bittering units. And what I've got a nice little dryness going in the top of my mouth. The pine, it probably is influenced because it's going through my nose. I'm getting a strong pininess, but it's not a hophead. It's not massive. It's not big. So it's a nice, so far, real nice, easy to drink. Let's take another sip. So I'm getting a little citrus to it. I'm gonna say lemon. I like the flavors. It's got a good taste. What makes it nice is it's actually easy to drink. Very enjoyable. And I can see myself having another one of these. What I'm going to do is I'll put up in the top, I did a video on their Sand Lakes number 5, which has already been drank. It's not available at this point in time. But as you know, I voted that beer the number 1 beer of the summer. Over here at Stone Hound, they really do a great job. The quality of their beers are fantastic, and usually right to style. So again, looks great in the glass. Look at the legs. The legs on this are showing that they do take care of their glassware, and it's got a nice set of legs. Take one more sip in case we missed anything. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. If I were to evaluate it from 1 bottle cap, which means don't drink it, up to 5, which I mean, you should go out and get it right away. I'm going to give this a 4.5, and I like that. So you got to like a little bit of the hopness, you got to like a little bit of the pineness, and that little bit of a citrusy note to it. So if you haven't hit the like button, please do so. And I want you to take the time to tell me about Stone Hound. If you've been here, let me know on my comment section. Also, is this one of the best breweries in northern Michigan? I really think it is definitely a place that you need to stop by. So make your way to Acme, Michigan, and come down here to Stone Hound and get their Sketchy Dreez. And let's make this no longer just trending. Let's get it beyond and become viral. So hit the subscribe button so you can go along on my adventures. Here's to you, everyone. If you're going to have a beer, please make sure you have a good one.